Hi guys, today is the second days of DevOps, and so you are starting the second day. Second day is temporary user setup with expiry. So we have to create the query is that we have to create a username Siva on the app server one, and we have to set expiry date in the lowercase order. Okay. So generally you go to the app server one. What is the detail of app server one? This is the detail of app server one. Server one is tab 01. This is its IP address, and this is user, and this is password. So you going SSH username @ server name and the password. Okay, now you are in app server one. We have to create a username Siva with the expiry date. There is various way to create a user and assigning expiry date on that user. So basically you go to the user add and using help to see is any command for that. So you can see that there is a expiry date password for new account -e. You can use this -e to create the password. User add -e. Expiry date is 24/03/28. Year, month and date, and the name is Siva. User is created. How can you check that the user is created, or what is the password is apply or not? You can use the chase command. Chase -l and the user ID name. Now you can see that the expiry date is already assigned. Now our lab is completed. This is very important questions for DevOps or Linux query. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.